Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's talk about chlorinated aliphatic hydrocarbons as electron acceptors. हमने अपने previous lessons में देखा कि these can behave as electron acceptors. So let's talk in detail about these. Now, chlorinated organic compounds can be used as electron acceptors, and the process is known as reactive dehalogenation. In here, you can see here, basically it shows the conversion of polychloroethylene to ethene. So you can see here that PCE, basically 2 electrons and a proton, and then is ultimately converted to TCE, which is trichloroethene, and a chloride ion is released in the solution. This TCE can then be used as electron acceptor and is further converted in the same way to dichloroethene over here. So you can see here that of the 3 possible isomers of DCE which can be produced, cis-1 to dichloroethane can be the product which is most commonly formed by this biotransformation. And now this can further go on into another reactions, ultimately leading to the production of ethene. It can be converted to vinyl chloride, which further is converted to ethene ultimately. This is one of the examples how different complex molecules can be converted from the complex types to the simplest types through different types of enzymatic reactions. Not one reaction is involved, a series of reactions take place to convert one molecule to ultimately a simpler molecule. Now this ethene can even be further transformed into different molecules. It can also accept electrons as well and can be converted to ethane, but that is very rare. Now this reactive dehalogenation can be co-metabolic as well through co-metabolism, or different types of chlorinated aliphatic hydrocarbons may also act as terminal electron acceptor, and in this case mostly we call it as dehalorespiration क्योंकि वो act कर रहे हैं as electron acceptors under anaerobic conditions in place of oxygen. So the process can be called and is called as dehalorespiration as well. Now the ability to dehalogenate CH compounds is obviously widespread among different types of microorganisms. Different types of microorganisms have different such enzymatic systems which can use these CH compounds and can dehalogenate it. Generally, strict anaerobic microbes mostly perform this reactive dehalogenation, but different facultative microbes, facultative anaerobic microbes which can survive in both conditions, in aerobic and in anaerobic, they can also bring about the reduction of these compounds. Even some methanogens are also known to perform the reduction of these compounds. They can convert PCE to TCE, mostly through co-metabolism. Many other organisms can also convert PCE to DCE compound as well. Can be used as primary source of substrate as well for energy generation. Most of these reducers, these organisms which can reduce these compounds, most of them use hydrogen as electron donor, but there are some microorganisms which can also use other compounds as electron donor as well. For example, these can use several organic compounds such as acetate and pyruvate as well. We will talk more about this topic in our next lesson.